guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, instead of working on cars, I'm going to be working on my snowblower. So I'm in Wisconsin, so we definitely need these always working. This snowblower definitely works great. It's a Yard's machine, 10.5, 28-inch one. But what we're talking about should apply for just about all snowblowers out there, most snowblowers that is. So this is for your electric start. So your pull start works, no problem, has no issues. But your electric start, you go in and for some reason it either doesn't kick in or it does this. Doesn't sound good, does it? Sounds awful. So I want to show you how to change out the starter. It's pretty straightforward. What we're gonna do, I ordered a replacement starter, a new one, off of Amazon. I think I paid 50 or 80 bucks for it. But this is the replacement one here. And it's going to be pretty straightforward to install. As you can see, it comes with the button. It's the whole unit as one. So pretty straightforward. Almost looks like a car starter, doesn't it? So what we're going to need to do on here is we're just going to remove these two 10mm bolts just to take the gas tank up and set it off to the side. And that's going to give us good access to the starter, which is right below that. So let's get started. And the first thing is just going to remove these two 10mm. Set it to the side. No need to disconnect it. You're just going to set it to the side. And as you can see, here's your starter right here. First thing we're going to want to do is there are two bolts back here and there are two bolts on the bottom. So we're going to take care of those. All right, so next we want to go down low and just take those two nuts out, bolts out right there. They're just 10mm. And so we just want to remove those. All right, two screws out. And so at this point, then you probably don't even have to loosen up the two at the top, which are star bits, but then it should come right on out. So then we'll set this up here like that, because we now, what we want to do is remove the two screws up here and remove this part right here. So Phillips head. I'll set this down there for now. All right, so here is the old one out. Now let me get the new one and we'll put the new one in. All right, here's the new one, same plug. All right, with that screwed in, now we can do the simple task. Just moving that out of the way. Taking our starter. And these right here, you're just going to put back under those two star bits down there. There we go. Now I just need to put the screws back in, the two bolts back in at the bottom. All right, now that we have two bolts back in, now we can put the tank back in place. And you see this right here, there's a little groove down there in the bottom of the tank for that to latch into. All right, so let's see if it works. I call that a success. That was roughly about 10 minutes worth of work. Save your snowblower. And remember, you don't have to buy one of these new. I bought a new one, but if you got an old snowblower or somebody else got an old non-working snowblower, pull the starter off of that one and try it on yours. It probably will work. So you may be able to do your repair for free if you have an old snowblower or somebody you know have an old snowblower. Or you can just buy a new one off of Amazon like I do. I'll put the link down into the description area. So if you like, hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for joining. All right, bye-bye.